my channel. Today we're making cookies. We were at the grocery store the other day and Dion was in the baking aisle. I think we were looking for like cornstarch or something like that. And he says, hey Adrian, do you know how to make cookies? I'm like, yeah, I know how to make cookies. I haven't made a cookie since I was 16. So we'll see how this goes. Today I'm using Rick from Appetit's recipe for brown butter toffee chocolate chip cookies, but modified. I don't have toffee and I had to modify a few things, so we'll see how these turn out. I have 2 cups of flour. Today I'm using Bob's Red Milk. I have 1 cup of browned unsalted butter, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup and a half cup of granulated sugar. Yeah, there was supposed to be a whole cup of brown sugar and I only had half a cup. So I looked it up and they said that you could replace it with just normal sugar, so that's what I did. So that's where you get that. 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using the Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate because it's delicious and I think they have great chocolate. We have 1 teaspoon baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. It's supposed to be kosher salt. I can't speak. Of kosher salt, but we're using pink Himalayan salt because that's all I have. And 2 large eggs. First step in the recipe is to brown your butter. I've already done that, but here it is, brown butter. It's been sitting for 10 minutes to cool because you don't want it to be too warm. And next step is to whisk your dry ingredients. I'm taking my 2 cups flour, regular granulated sugar, and my brown sugar. I wasn't supposed to do that.
What were you supposed to do?
It was supposed to be flour, baking soda, and salt.
And then? But it's all gonna get mixed anyways.
No, because you can't just do that because sugar is technically a wet ingredient. So I'm just gonna.
Wait, what are you gonna use now? White sugar?
All right, redo. So you're not supposed to mix your flour and your sugars because sugar is technically a wet ingredient and I'm an idiot. So I no longer have brown sugar, so we're gonna use white sugar. It's fine. We'll see how this works. 2 cups of flour. Don't pack it because when you pack it, it gives it a completely different measurement. Just leave it as is. Scoop off the extra top. 1 1/3 cups of white sugar. I'm an idiot.
What?
That's sugar going into flour.
Again?
Again! Okay, we need 2 cups of white flour. Okay, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we whisk. Make sure you whisk everything really well. The more you whisk it, the better. As long as it's dry. When it's wet, don't overmix it. To the mixing bowl, we are adding 1 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar. And we're also adding the brown butter that I had made earlier. All I did was take 1 cup of butter into a saucepan over medium-low heat, let it melt. You let it get kind of foamy, but make sure you're mixing it the whole time. And you just wait for it to turn this beautiful brown color. But don't wait too long because butter burns fast. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, I have my white sugar and brown butter into the mixer and we're gonna mix for 1 minute on medium speed. Add your eggs and vanilla. I'm gonna crack my eggs into the cup. We're adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. bring the mixer down to low speed and we're gonna add our dry ingredients. I'm gonna use this. You get one last good whisk, just for good measure. And we add. That is mixed until just combined. You don't want to overmix because you don't want your cookies to become tough. We're gonna let this dough sit for 30 minutes because that's what it says. We gotta let the flour hydrate. So that's what we're gonna do. And in the meantime, the oven's gonna be set for 375 and let it preheat. Alright, we're back! It's been 30 minutes, the dough has been resting, the oven's preheated, and I'm gonna add the chocolate chip. It's gonna be 1.5 cups. I'm gonna lightly butter the baking sheet, just so there's no stickage, hopefully. And now we form into balls. So do I flatten them? No, it says do not flatten. So it says to use a 1-inch ice cream scoop, but I don't have that because I don't eat ice cream. Hashtag lactose intolerant. So I have about 9 cookies on this tray and a whole lot of dough left, so we're just gonna do this in batches. And that is fine. So this is gonna go into the oven. It's set for 375 and we're gonna put it onto the middle rack for 9 to 11 minutes. Come get your cookie! Great. And now we wait 10 minutes. You gotta like crack it open.
Oh!
Good, right?
We're good.
Better than coffee? Or tea?
I like the texture of it. Got a little more salt.
You want more salt?
Probably.
Well, good, because that's what it needs.
Just a little bit. Pretty good. Wow. Put something like that. Wow, I'm impressed.
Yes, you want some? Can't have any. And we're back! The cookies turned out so great. I have no idea how many there are, but they're the perfect combination of chewy and crispy and buttery and just, oh, so delicious. They just turned out so great. I ended up putting some salt on top of them just to balance them out, and it just, perfection. But leave in the comments below how many cookies you think this made, because I need to count them. I'll let you guys know in the description box below. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to see more. All right, bye guys.